Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena.
It's Elias.
So you guys have been requesting a million times for us to do for Elias to speak Arabic. How come Amena speaks Amharic always? How come Elias never speaks Arabic? For today's video, what I decided was that I'm gonna be teaching him some Sudanese slang words. Are you ready? Yes.
That's gonna be hard. You have to teach me first the basic, you know.
Right. You already got the basics. Say 1 through 10.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 6 7 8 The thing.
No. What is 9?
6
9.
6
No. 9.
9 10.
There you
Is
go.
that the basic?
Those
Just
are
a number,
numbers.
you know, everybody using
What is house?
House, bait,
What is oil?
date is the same. Like
What is
Amharic,
what
you know?
is like my love?
My Habibti. Habibti! My Habibti. Am I right?
Yeah. So for this video, we're going to be teaching Elias some Sudanese slang words. These are words that are only used in Sudan. From what I know, they're not used in any other place. So
Really?
are you ready? Yeah.
I'm ready.
So the first Sudanese slang word, if you are to become a Sudanese person, you have to know this word. And that is zol.
Zol.
Zol. Yep. So I taught you this word before. What does it mean?
Zol.
Do you remember?
Zol.
Uh,
Zol means like gillet.
no. No. What does it mean?
I mean, is that a bad word?
It's not.
a bad.
It's not a bad word.
Okay, give me a hint, you know.
I'll give you a
I remember-
sentence, okay?
Okay.
يا زول تعال هنا.
Say it again.
يا زول تعال هنا. أهلاً
Hey,
وسهلاً.
you.
Yes.
Hey, you.
Yeah, you. It just kind of means like a person. Person or hey you.
Ya Zol or Zol?
Zol. Zol for a man.
Say it again.
يا زول تعال هنا.
Ya Zol تعال هنا.
Yep, there you go.
Ya Zol. Ya Zol تعال هنا.
Yep. The next word that I have for you is hoy.
Hoy.
Yeah, what do you think that means? Just give me a guess.
Hoy means like wait.
Okay. I mean, I guess kind of.
I could have
Kind of. So I could be like, if I see somebody walking on the street, I might be like,
Wait,
hoy!
wait.
Hoy!
Wait.
It doesn't mean wait.
Okay.
Exactly wait. But
Hold on.
no, not really.
Like a, hey you.
Yeah, kind of just like to
The
grab
same thing like
the
a
same-
Zola. A Zol.
No, Zola is just person. You can use it in different ways, but the main definition of
Like
Zola
literally,
is person.
literally Zol
Like
means
just
a person.
a person. But like hoy is like to call someone's attention to something. So like you can be like, hoy, ya Zol.
Hoy ya Zol.
Yeah, say hoy, ya Zol.
Hoy ya Zol.
Yeah.
So what does it mean, hoy?
So hoy is just like I feel like I don't know the direct English translation. You guys can help me, but hoy is kind of like to get somebody's attention. Like you're trying to get someone's attention.
Okay.
Like one time I was walking, this is a true story. One time I was walking in Sudan on the streets and I had gotten lost and I was on like this highway part by myself and one of the soldiers was like, "Hoy! Hoy!"
I mean,
And
it's
I
like,
was-
hey, listen,
was
hey,
scared.
you, listen, hey, you.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. The next
Hoy, ya,
word,
hoy.
the next slang word that I have for you is zait.
Date.
What is zait?
Date is oil.
It is oil, but in the slang way, what do you think zait means?
Date means like a sweet.
Kind of.
Because
Keep going.
Because you cannot, cook without oil. Any
Right.
food needs oil, so it should be something important.
So
worthy.
if I say دي حاجة زيت,
Hmm?
if I say دي حاجة زيت, what do you think?
The Hajj date.
Yeah.
I think.
Zait. You're on the right track. Just
Yeah.
keep going with that.
Go with the example you gave me.
If something like really good happened.
Oh, that is like a good thing.
Yeah, I just
Then,
gave you the
like,
answer.
yeah. Oh, that's good.
I just gave you the
Yeah.
answer. So it literally means like when something happens and it was unexpected or something and it's really, really good, you'd be like, oh, there's zait. Because zait is oil and it
Yeah.
makes food taste good.
Yeah.
So
In every country have their own,
Yes.
slang word.
yeah.
And it's funny when you hear.
Right. So I have another food one for you. Milih.
Yeah, that is kasra mula.
No. Not mulah. Not mulah.
Milih.
Milih.
Milih, I never heard that.
Okay, so
What is
milih
that? Is that like the stew? Like a what?
No, no.
So what is that?
Milih is salt.
Or salt?
Yes, specifically it means salt, but there's another slang way to use it in Sudan.
Milih.
Yep. You tell me. Try to guess.
Milih means like a bad person?
No.
Or okay, you are like
No.
you Milih.
No.
When someone said you Milih.
It's not bad.
Oh really?
It's not used in a bad way.
Like sweet.
No. Okay, so
Like
I'll
a
give you a
delicious-
hint. Like, usually I take the bus, but I found this person driving and they gave me a ride for free. I basically gave you the whole definition.
Milih
I
means
would
like
say
it's free.
milih.
Milih.
Yeah.
It's free.
Milih means like
Yeah.
when you get something for super, super cheap.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's called
You
milih.
would say milih, yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't know
Which
why.
means like super
I think,
cheap.
Yeah, I think it's because salt is cheap in Sudan. I don't know how
Yeah,
that
salt is
became
cheap everywhere,
the
you know.
word, but
Yeah.
yeah, milih.
Milih.
Milih. All right, next. Okay, next word is, and you're gonna tell me what you think it means, okay?
All right.
Next
okay, let's
word
go.
is wub علي.
Wub عليه.
Yeah, you have to say it like wub علي. What does it sound like? Wub علي.
Sounds like wub عليك. Who me?
No.
Wub عليك.
Not
Who, me?
عليك. علي.
عليك.
علي. Not عليك means you. علي. وب علي. You told me something and I'm like وب علي. What does it mean?
It's not like who me.
No.
For me.
No.
Oh, that's for me.
No. Something surprising happened. I said وب علي.
Oh my God.
Yes. There you go.
The way you're like, explaining is not good. You're just like,
Really?
wub عليه.
That's how they
you're
would say it.
pointing
They're
on
like, "وب
yourself.
علي." So say وب علي.
Wub عليه.
وب علي. Say
Wub
وب علي. Oh my
Wub
God.
عليه. Wub عليه.
You can say it like in different
So,
tones.
do you know
yeah.
what? It sounds like wub عليه means, bale means my husband.
Oh, okay.
Bale. Wub عليه. Wub عليه. Wub means like beautiful. Wub عليه.
Oh, it sounds like my beautiful husband.
Yeah. Wub عليه. Wub bale.
Wub علي. That's not what I said.
Yeah. Wub عليه. Bale.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bale. Wa kunja.
Alright, so
That's what you get. That's it.
okay, next is Echi.
Who, me?
No.
Anchi. You said Anchi.
No.
I mean, is that Arabic or no?
It's a Sudanese slang word.
What do you say? Echi?
Echi? Echi? Oh, Echi?
Anchi means
I'm not saying.
you,
I'm
for
not
girl.
saying Anchi. I'm saying Atchi.
Atchi.
Echi? Echi?
Oh,
kind of
like, really?
Echi?
Something like
Yeah, you got it. Kind of like what?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like what?
Yeah, what? Or really?
Damn, sounds like AMHARIC,
It does.
I'm serious. They have like different meaning.
It
but
sounds,
it sounds
similar.
like, yeah.
Yeah, that
Sounds
makes
similar.
sense. The next one is Sejami.
Sejami.
I think I'm saying that right. Yeah.
Sejami.
Yeah. Sejami. It's like
Is
another
that,
one.
is that the same?
Sejami?
Is that the same thing like Jamila?
No. No, it doesn't mean Jamila.
Are you crazy?
No.
Are you done?
No. What does it mean? Sejami?
Give me a hint.
I'll say like Sejami. That's not how they say it. It's my hint is gonna give it away to you. It's
Really?
also used when you're like in shock about something. Kind of means like oh my god in a surprising way. So Sejami.
Sejami?
Yeah, say it.
Sejami?
Yep. There you go. Good job. The next Sudanese slang is Karaili.
This sounds like the same. Something عليه.
Yeah.
ما عليه.
Karaili.
Kurale. Kurale is like, sounds like AMHARIC.
Take a guess.
Kurale.
I said
Is that a
Karaili.
Kurale, by the way? Ethiopian Kurale?
What does
I
it
don't
mean
think
in
so.
Ethiopia?
Kurale means someone buying from the people, like the old stuff. Anything like maybe old shoes, anything like old things. So you selling them with a cheap price. So we call them Karaili.
You could say like, I woke up early to go to the pharmacy and the pharmacy was closed. Karaili.
What's so sad?
Kind of like,
Something.
yeah, it's kind of
What
like
a sad.
so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
It was
like,
closed.
yeah.
Yeah. What a sad. Karaili.
Yeah, you got it. So say it. Say Karaili.
Karaili. Karaili. Karaili.
Karaili means like me, like oh woe is me, like oh feel sorry for me,
No.
kind of.
I don't trust her.
No, I know because there's like no direct translation.
yeah, it is
so
hard,
it's
you know.
like trying
Even
to find words.
that is true.
You're just trying to find the best
Yeah,
words.
you're trying to find
But
like some
sometimes-
best word, you know.
Yeah, sometimes it just doesn't work. Like
Doesn't
there is
work,
no
yeah.
words.
Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't even make sense. Right? Inti mali.
The last one that I have for
Inti
you.
mali. What does it mean?
Inti balik.
Inti mali.
What's wrong with you?
See? Inti mali.
لا لا عادي. أنا كويسة.
You know, you koisa?
Yeah. The last one that I have is Betty Betty.
Very, very. Which means very, very. Very, very.
Yeah, no.
No?
No, Betty Betty. I'm saying it to you, Betty Betty, with your answer that you gave.
Stop.
Betty Betty.
Stop.
Kind of, but
Or,
not directly.
Okay.
Or Betty
okay.
Betty. When somebody like says like something
Like no.
Yes, exactly. Like no.
Very,
Like
very.
that, yeah.
No.
Yeah, High five.
High five.
Pretty good at this.
Very, very. Should I have to learn about this, all of this slang word if I want to go to Sudan?
Yes.
I mean, is
they're
that a
very
common
common.
word?
Yes.
Really?
They're most of them, like the milih and zait, probably you won't hear a lot of people using those, but the other ones are very common. Zol is an everyday thing you'll hear. Wub alay is very common. Anchi is very common. Majority of what I'm giving you are common.
Common,
like
okay.
you'll hear them.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I feel like, I can pronounce them.
Yeah.
Even if they have like the sound. But still I can pronounce it,
Yeah, it's very
my way.
similar. So
Yeah,
you guys can add some more Sudanese slang words that I missed down below. Obviously, I haven't been to Sudan in 10 years now.
Damn.
No, 9 years. 2011.
A long time.
9 years. So I'm sure there's some new slang now that I don't know about. The younger kids have some new stuff.
Yeah. Leave them down below.
You guys leave them down below. Close us out.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and leave the comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Peace. Remember peace.
So ashenda means like that is ugly. Or you are ugly. Are you bored? Are you yawning?
No, I feel like
Wub alay.
I'm
Wub
sleeping.
alay.
No, I'm not sleeping.